Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Crypto Guy. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin technical analysis and crypto news. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay, let's start with crypto fear and greed index. And here you can see that fear is at the rate right now it's 43. Yesterday it was neutral, last week it was neutral, and last month it was extreme greed. That was a time when Bitcoin was hitting almost 12,000 US dollar. As you can see that Bitcoin price is pumping right now and fear is getting less and it's gonna be neutral very soon. Here are the top 10 coins which have done good in last 24 hours. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all are in green. Chainlink has been pumping up. It's also in green. Binance Coin and some of the other coin movers and shakers. You can see that AR is 48%, SXP is 41%, Rune is 11%, Theta is 10% too. So congratulations to all of you guys who have bought the dip and now enjoying this insane profit. Okay, so now we're gonna do the Bitcoin technical analysis. Here you can see 1 day chart of BTC US dollar. This is 20 weekly moving average, which is very important in my opinion. If we are above of this 20 weekly moving average, it means that we are in bullish region. And if we fell down from this 20 weekly moving average, it means that we are going to be about bearish. So at the moment the price is hanging about 10,800 something US dollar, which is very good region for Bitcoin. And here you can see that we have a quite good bounce from here, and now we are actually going up on 1 day chart. My next bullish target will be something about 11,600. This is the long-term line of Bitcoin which have been driven and which we are following for a very long time, and this was the dump. You can see that 20 weekly average we fell down from there, and then we have some sideways movement, and now we are trying to back from this. If you go through back into the past, and we can see that whenever we was above of this 20 weekly average, there are insane pumps and Bitcoin going up. As soon we are going pump here you can see here we fell below from there, we have some small, and where we are having sideways movement, here we fell up again. Here you can see the same thing again and again. So trend is our friend, and I will suggest that the next move is coming up. So Bitcoin is in the bullish region. You can also see MACD is also getting red here, and here is the turnover of the MACD, which mean that the bullish momentum is in. We just have to wait and see. And I think if the Bitcoin price move above 1100, the next target will be about 11,600. But now we can also come to a bearish scenario as well. And if we fell from this 20 weekly moving average, the next stop will be around 10,500, our old friend trend line. And if we even fell that one, we can even go lead last until 9,800, which is the lead bullish, and it's going to be a bearish territory. But right now we are in good hands and we are moving forward. Let's move to 4 hour chart of Bitcoin US dollar. Here you can also see that we are above of this 20 weekly average, and we are now also above this 50 EMA, which is about 10,780. So we are in good position, we are moving far. Here you can see that right now it's buying, people are trying to buy the dips. So this is good, this is a good time to be accumulate the Bitcoin as much as we can and move forward. So be safe, try to be have an eye on this kind of region. If you want to have swing trade or you are doing leverage trading, I think we just have to be wait until the breakout, which is 11,000, and after that we can be put a long from there. And as soon as it will be top up, we can put a stop loss here, so we are not going into loss, and then we can enjoy the ride of Bitcoin. Okay, now we can talk about some Ethereum USD technical analysis. Here you can see that Ethereum prices at the moment is 357 US dollar, and you can see that Ethereum is facing very strong resistance of this 20 weekly moving average, and we are just rebounding here. We have touched it almost like 1 2 3 times, and now we are hanging around 357. So if we able to pass this, break this 20 weekly moving average, I think we can see an insane pump in upcoming days and even in 1 week. But if we have a rejection from this 20 weekly moving average, we are coming back. We are coming back to this line 334, and in worst case scenario for Ethereum, we can even go until 200 EMA, 200 moving weekly average, which is at 287. So we have to have a very close eye on this target, and we have to wait and see what Ethereum is going to do. So if we break this 20 weekly EMA, we can go for a long position. And as soon as I always tell in my all the videos, that as soon we go up our target, we increase our stop loss somewhere here and we will be in profit. We are not going to be in loss or even break even. So be very cautious here, be very open your eyes and check around where we gonna break this target. Let's move in 4 hour chart, and here we can see also that we are above this EMA, but we are having these resistance lines here over 359. So if we Ethereum is able to break this resistance line at 360, then I think the next stop will be 365. So that can be a very good swing trade. Even you can do some spot trading, and even if you want to do leverage trading, it will be a good opportunity to put a long here and take profit somewhere here and put a stop loss and take profit also here and put a stop loss here, so we are not in loss, and take your profit before it's hit this resistance. So it is always a very good formula for me, that always try to make a long position here when it's break the small lines, and always take profit when we hit the resistance. As you can also see that MACD is almost at normal, so it's going to be bearish very soon. If we have been a rejection, so it can fell down under 352, and RSI is at normal around something 60. That's totally fine. It can go up, it can go down, so we have to very cautious and have to see. So a good trader is that make profit even the market is going up and even when the market is going down. So if the market is going up, if Ethereum is going up, we're gonna make a long position here and our taking a profit here. And if the it's rejection, it's gonna fell down until here 353, and even if it's fell down beyond 353, then we can also short this position and make some good gains. So be cautious and ready for look for next Ethereum. As you can see that I'm also on Twitter, so if you want me to follow on Twitter and be up to date with market analysis and my technical point of view, you can follow me on Twitter on crypto guy. This is my email address, and you can also see my all the videos here, and you can also comment it here and follow my YouTube channel. One of my tweet which I have done like quite a long time ago, like this is Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin CV. So this is a Bitcoin, this is a real deal, this is what we are following. This is the fork of Bitcoin, which is Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV. You everybody know that. I don't have to tell anything about Bitcoin SV. Don't invest in any of these. This is the real deal. This is going to the moon. This we are going to follow. We can also see some image from somebody else which somebody have shared on Twitter. Here you can see that it's just a funny tweet, that if we have rejecting this line, we are going to be in like deep water, and Bitcoin is going to hit like something like 9,800, and there can be a rebound from here. So that's the worst case scenario, I will say. This is another tweet from somebody else. Here you can see Bitcoin US dollar index 4-hour BitMEX chart, that this is one line that this guy had been falling, and there has been a dump from here, and here is the pump scenario. So this is the at the moment Bitcoin is at about, as we talk about, 10,800 line, and we have to be very cautious to see that if it go up, we can easily go up to 1100, 11,000, and from there we can have a big pump. But if we go down, we can have a small dump here. So if you want me to follow, please follow me on my Twitter as well. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you all the latest, all the hottest technical analysis, and keep in touch. I'm going to add some DeFi coins, tutorial about how to yield farming and everything. So be in touch, like and subscribe my video, and stay tuned. And until that, bye bye.